Man, they need to go somewhere. Ooh, you know what? I should. Hey guys, welcome to another video. It's been 2 weeks, so I just wanted to follow up on the Explorer. Unfortunately, I ran into another issue. So you see this 4x4 low light is on. Well, reason for that is I had to disconnect it, and here's why. So there's the 4x4 module right there, and that's the code for the module. I don't know if you can see it that good on camera, and I currently have it disconnected, if the camera can pick it up. So when I made the video of me doing donuts in the snow, I had it in 4-wheel drive high because the snow was deep, but I put it in auto, and for whatever reason it was stuck in 4-wheel drive high. So as I'm trying to turn on dry pavement, it was gripping because it was stuck in 4-wheel drive high, and it was also flashing on the dash. So right now I have it reconnected, and we're gonna go for a quick drive. I'm gonna show you what I mean by it. Let's see if the camera can pick it up. Well, first I need to put my seatbelt on. All right, so I got a corner coming up. I'm gonna turn this sharp corner, and I'm gonna see if the camera can pick the grinding noise up. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and turn. See, as of right now, I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but you can hear it gripping because it's stuck in 4-wheel drive high. Usually it'll flash. Surprisingly, it's not flashing. But I'm gonna make a sharp turn. I'm parking a random spot. There we go. So yeah, hopefully the camera's picking it up. But as of right now, it's in automatic, and it's like it's stuck in 4-wheel drive high. So I'm guessing I can't do this with one hand. Hold on. So I'm guessing this module, it's not any good no more, which means I'm gonna have to replace this module. Maybe I get on eBay or something, see if I can find a module, because I don't want to go to the dealership to get one, because if I do, it's gonna cost me a fortune. And you know, this is a beater truck. I'm not trying to spend too much money into this. You know, I just spent $2 grand on the transmission. Okay, so I decided to buy a module off of eBay, and I didn't get it on camera, but this is the new module I got. It's basically used off of a used Explorer. Got the same part number and everything, and basically this module is doing the same thing as my old one. So I had to disconnect this one because this is doing the same thing. Wow, that's crazy. So looks like I'm gonna have to take a trip to the dealership when it opens tomorrow, because what I can probably do is order another module. I know probably y'all gonna be saying, well, can't you just send the old module back? Well, problem is I bought it from the seller, and basically it's a no return back because it's electronic. So basically, I mean, the module is only $40, but basically you taking risks when you buying a used module because you don't know if it's working or not. So I could get on eBay to try to get another module, but I don't know. I might just go to the dealership and buy another one. It's doing the same exact thing as my old module. So quick tip. This module is real easy to replace. It's a screw right here, and it's a screw on the other side. And evidently, you gotta kind of work it out of there because it's a real tight spot. But for those of you who own the 2002, 2005 Explorer, remember, if you're getting your module replaced, you want to look at your part number on the back. This camera's not picking it up, but you want to look at your part number. The same exact part number that you see on that module is what you type in. Because if you get a different part number, it's not going to work at all. So, other than that, Explorer's been running good. Here's a quick weather update. It's 45 degrees. So, I think I'm able to say that we're finally done with snow, but I'm not going to speak too soon because it's still... I'm going to wrap this short video up. I'm going to probably go to the dealership, get some prices of this module. I wasn't trying to spend too much on this because this is a winter project beater truck. And yeah, I think some of y'all can understand. But stay tuned. That was my quick update. If you want to see more, or if you want to see me trying to get this stupid module out, like and subscribe, and we can go on this journey together and buying a brand new module from the dealership, and we'll see together if this module actually work. Now, I know I'm gonna get some feedback. Y'all gonna be saying, well, you was just in the snow doing donuts. That's probably what burnt it out. Well, possibility, and the 4x4 shaft underneath the truck could be jacked up, but I highly doubt it because I replaced that 2 years ago before I started recording. But anyway, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more updates, and I'll see you soon.